Okay, so dissection laboratory. Okay, so what we do was we dissect three animals that were a shark, a frog, and a pig. We have three other animals that were a fish that have not bones. I don't know what it doesn't open. A turtle that we don't open because it was really strong, and a rat that I don't know why we doesn't open. Okay, so the idea of this laboratory was really was to know about what change or what doesn't change on the evolution of the digestive and the respiratory system especially, and to know the difference between these three kind of animals, like physical difference. Okay, so in the evolution we can start with the shark. Okay, so we start cutting the body in the middle, and the first thing that we can saw was a really big liver. Then was like a bag where the small intestine and the large intestine with the stomach. But yeah, and we opened and we saw all these things. Then we can saw the pancreas because it was really small and was, I don't know, like really down. So we need to cut more, and it was not possible. Then we saw the heart was really small and was not divided like the human's heart that is divided on four. This was not divided in any case. So then we go to the respiratory system, and we saw the gills that is the way that the fish breathe, and there was like 3 gills in each side. Then we open the frog. They have like a muscular force or muscle pack like the six-pack of the human. So we coat that the muscles and we open. We find the two intestines first because it was really long, and they were like a rope, but I don't know, they were really long. Then we can find the split beside the stomach and the pancreas under the stomach. After that was the liver that will like cover the intestine, but we doesn't saw the respiratory system because they breathe like by the skin, by a cutaneous form. So the respiration of them is like in all the body, what is common the body. After open the frog, we go to the pig. It was hard because he have a lot of bones and muscles, so it was more hard to cut the pig. So because you need to do different cuts. First we saw the lungs that were two, and it's how the humans and the mammals breathe. Then we go down, and there was a digestive similar like the humans because we go by the esophagus. Then we saw the stomach beside the liver and the split at the other side of the stomach. There we find the large intestine with the small intestine and the little pancreas like beside them. And after that we go to the brain. We open. It was equal to our brain, the human's brain. It was divided in 3 different parts, so it was really similar to us. Okay, so guys, what we can conclude is that the location of the organs is different, the site is different in each animal by the side of them. The form of breathing is different because the adaptation of to the environment, because the environment changed like water and forest. And the body is changing because it starts to have muscles and more bones in one, like the fish don't have bones and muscles, but the frog have muscles. And then we have the pig that have more bones and muscles. And to the fish is concluded that we maintain the parts of the digestive system, but we adapt in different ways. Okay, so we have the same parts in all the 3 animals, but what doesn't change was the parts. They were similar. They don't have more one animal to the others, and they don't have minus at the others. Thank you for your attention. Bye.